Ang dami ko pang pangarap, ang dami kong gustong puntahan, ang dami ko pang gustong ma-meet, na at 35 nangangarap pa rin ako ng sarili kong pamilya. My government name is Mary Manjelic Garcia. Nowadays, I go by Manj. I'm 35 years young. I am a cancer survivor, and I am a mental health advocate. So I was diagnosed in 2023 that I had lymphoma. It was stage 3, 3A, and bulky, meaning to say, namamanas, mukha na akong Doraemon, literally, because I was just really head and shoulder back then. Noong una, hindi mo pa siya matanggap, nung sinabi ng doktor, right? So talaga nag-moment pa ako sa ospital na parang, nagpunta ako sa staircase, natulala ako for 2 minutes, and then I just cried. Because totoo pala yung sinasabi nila na your world would really go crashing down. And with regards to my mental health, I guess nanamnam ko siya na, ito pala yung tinutukoy nila na there's something wrong mentally. Na-realize ko na earlier on, even when I was still a child, it was there already. And unfortunately, 90s babies tayo. It wasn't really that tackled on, hindi siya napapag-usapan. Sa atin noon, sorry for the term, but ang tawag noon, di ba, abnormal, na may saltek, ganon. Ang diagnosis ko, which is ADHD, meron siyang kaakibat, pwede siyang mahaluan ng autism, pwede siyang mahaluan ng severe depression, but it encompasses everything else. Hindi mo siya makontrol when it will happen. Ang tanging mo lang makokontrol, as they all say, is the situation that is present. Nasaan ka? Anong pwede mong gawin to ground yourself? And you just let it pass. I had 20 cycles of chemotherapy, and the amount of my medication, kasi I had 2 lines of treatment, the amount of the medication was really, really difficult. Ang hirap niya. I guess I'm blessed in that aspect na yung mga taong hindi mo inakalang magre-reach out to help, sila pa yung naasahan ko during those times. When you're spiraling down, and then you try to ground yourself, yun yung mga thoughts that runs through my mind na, andito pa ako kasi may purpose pa ako, andito pa ako kasi baka kailangan pang marinig ng mundo yung storya ko to inspire others. To be honest, nag-iba ang love languages ko ever since I went on this journey. So, dati, talagang selfless ako. Acts of service yan, no matter what. And then, I came to a point na hindi ko na kayang, I cannot come from a place of love. So, si acts of service na love language ko, burado na yan. So, I guess, I'm fighting for the child within me who still wants to live. Ang dami ko pang pangarap. Ang dami kong gustong puntahan. Ang dami ko pang gustong ma-meet. Na at 35, nangangarap pa rin ako ng sarili kong pamilya. Alam mo yun, yung mga simpleng bagay na yun. So if you're going to find inspiration, you have to start within and you have to choose yourself. Pag hindi mo talaga pinili yung sarili mo, kung araw-araw lumalaban ka na lang para sa ibang tao, paano ka na? Diba? Sinong lalaban para sa'yo kung hindi ikaw? So lumaban ka para sa'yo. Pag sinabihan ka na may critical illness ka, na may something ka sa utak, hindi yun nakakahiya. Kasi ikaw yun eh. Lumaki kang nandyan yan. Oo, ayaw na natin maging strongest soldier. Pero it's for a reason. Na marami kang matututunan. Marami talaga. At marami ka pang matututunan. Yung mga bagay na ginawa mo noon, marirealize mo na hindi siya regret. It was part of your journey. Huwag mo ikahiya. Alam ko na feeling mo nakakahiya kasi syempre huhusgahan ka. Hayaan mo sila. Sino ba sila para husgahan ka? For the companies, I hope that you have programs that would tackle mental health, kahit awareness lang. Maybe just someone that can lend an ear, yung malalapitan sila agad na, can I talk to you for like 5 minutes? Can I have a hug? Nang without judgment or anything. Yung ganun lang, hindi nyo po kailangan gastusan ng malaki para pahalagahan at pangalagaan ang inyong mga empleyado. Reliable ni JobStreet. For them to come up with this kind of campaign, this kind of program, it would definitely make the companies, the organizations, and everything else think twice of how they structure their human resources. Then I hope it does shake things up and make changes. So hi, I am Angelique Garcia. I am a cancer survivor and I am also a mental health advocate. We are here and we see you.